mechanical things will exist. And the only electric thing left will be crashing of thunder and lightning. Respect for the power of nature ignited by God our Creator is force of creation, destruction, eternal, infernal, the end of material. Kingdoms burn with their metals, they melt just like wax. To their ashes return to the earth with no trace of their past. All that's left will be ravaging derelicts, hollow-eyed savages, traveling corpses existing in a Mad Max existence. No future inheritance rings. Only dastardly deeds will be seeded with manifest, reckless abandon. Abandoned to Babylon, branded and sealed and gathered like animals, led and bedazzled, deceived by those devilish forces of darkness. These torturous tormentors, morbid and gorge executioners, forced to endure all those nightmarish visits. Scared of your sickness, you witness relentless afflictions. You visit these visions, a prisoner locked in the chains of your senses, a witness to prophesied pestilence. No love to be harnessed, no solace or rest. As the moon crescent darkens the light summer solstice, exposes you lonesome alone in a dark lonely desert, a desolate shadowy valley, deserted and merciless. Silence flees, you escape to your short fleeting memories, etched in your brain, recorded for centuries. Question your sanity, thoughts often randomly mixed with incredibly hard and implausible impossibilities. Mystery feelings, the reasons conveyed by nefarious schemes in your dreams, like invasions relayed with confusion, a nuisance creating excuses, reduced to assuming reclusiveness, moved in pursuit of the truth, but then grouped into foolish endeavors, reputedly viewed as amusing to humans, so most just go on and assume the illusion